but I guess this is just part of the journey. Help me, please. What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Miss Devvbee. That's 2 V's and 2 E's. And welcome back to my channel. I haven't done a sit down video in a really long time, but in today's video, I wanted to sit down in front of a camera and ask y'all for help. If you see my videos on my channel, then you know that over the past 2 years, I've embarked in my natural hair journey, and I know you've seen a ton of my progress. But lately, there's been some issues, and basically nothing I've read, no one I've watched, and nothing I've tried has helped. So before I dive into the video, make sure you click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can join the Devvbee fam. And let's make the comment section down below a friendly place where we can ask each other questions, get answers, help each other out with our hair issues. Here is a little recap of my hair type, texture, porosity, and all that good stuff, just so you can use for reference. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. I mentioned this in a ton of my videos that I have a thinning bald spot. When I first noticed this way back in college, it was like super bare, and I was horrified. I couldn't wear my hair up, I couldn't do anything. I've spoken about it before. But another issue that I found is that it still hasn't grown back, where little hair will grow about an inch or two, and then it would just stop. And I'm trying to figure out like what that is. I've had blood work done, all of that. There's been no issues medically in that sense, so I'm trying to figure out like what I can use. I have gone through so many different growth oils, and none of them have worked. I could have been more consistent, I guess, but like there's been a couple brands that I've tried the whole bottle and there hadn't been that much progress. I'm in the middle of trying a growth ring now, so you guys will see that eventually, see how that works. But if anyone else has any other suggestions on how I can get that to grow back, it would be greatly appreciated, because I miss my hair being even on both sides. That was a luxury that I didn't know that I had when I had it, and I know it can grow back. Everybody has said it can grow back because the follicles are still there and they are still growing hair. And yeah, it's been probably 4 or 5 years now that's been an issue. So if anyone has had anything similar to that, then please let me know down in the comments. I would greatly appreciate it. The hardest part about becoming a natural to me was finding products that worked for my hair and knowing what that meant. Knowing that it meant using a product that fulfilled your hair's needs, made your hair grow, kept your length, protected your hair from breakage, moisturized your hair, and all of these things. I found that when I get products, they work for like a month, and then after that my hair kind of goes back to like its super dry state, and I can't retain the moisture that my type 4B, 4C hair really needs. I've tried like only rinsing with lukewarm and cool water, or only washing with lukewarm and cool water. I've tried the LCO method, the LOC method. Natural hair products have taken so much of my freaking money for me to try to find a product that works. And I know that there's a difference between, like, my type 4 hair is not gonna look juicy and luxurious all the time, but the feel of it is always super dry and brittle, and it sucks. Like, I don't like how it feels, and I know it's more prone to breakage that way. So if anybody has any type of like deep oil treatment or deep conditioning, or anything that helped you through a similar issue, then please let me know, because I'm struggling in that department. I know that that's like one of the most important things when having and trying to maintain your natural hair. Y'all saw in my first twist out video where I was able to wear my hair like just out in a fro and not have to like style it up into a puff or anything, how excited I was. But you didn't see that 2 days later, that was a frizzy mess that had to go up into a puff. And I don't want to have to restyle my hair every 2 days, and I also don't want to have to wear a puff for the rest of the 5 or 6 days after I've spent the time styling my hair. It pulls out my edges, and it's like frustrating because I don't know how to make my styles last longer. I've tried the pineapple method where you put it up on the top of your head, but that only stretches out the back just based off of the length of my hair and more so the shrinkage that I have. My shrinkage is insane, as most of you guys know, which I love, but like the pineapple doesn't help me there. It doesn't help that I tried twisting it into 4 big chunks just super lightly, and that doesn't help. Now I sleep on a satin pillowcase with a satin scarf every single night, and I'm not that reckless of a sleeper, and my styles just don't last. So if anybody with similar hair length, texture, and like issues has any tips on how I can make my styles last longer, that would be much appreciated. I often worry about my scalp, and I know that that's so important. People don't pay as much attention to their scalp, or at least that's been my experience. A healthy scalp leads to healthy hair, and I don't think mine is healthy. My scalp gets very dry in the wintertime. That's like a given. That's just been a thing. And usually, and for such a long time, I've been able to combat that, where I do a little bit more of oiling my scalp with heavier oils in the wintertime. Over the past couple years since I've gone natural, I've noticed that my scalp never fully feels clean. Like, it'll look clean, and I'll use products that give you like the tingly feeling, so it feels like it's like doing something, but my scalp then will have a lot of buildup, or it'll be greasy. And this is like 1 or 2 days after I've washed it, and that's like very concerning to me because I didn't have that issue when my hair was straight. And I know it has to do with like my texture because it's so tight, where it like takes, I know, a lot longer to come down my strands, which makes total sense. But like my scalp has been going through some issues, and I've tried like scratching my scalp with a fine-tooth comb before I wash, and just like making sure I really shampoo. I have the like scalp massager thing that I use in the shower every time I wash my hair with my shampoo. I shampoo twice, and I use a clarifying shampoo once a month. If I use it more than that, my hair gets super duper dry. So tips on that would be great. So yeah, how do you guys keep your scalp clean and healthy, and like what's something that I can do or add to my natural hair routine that will improve my scalp health? Last but not least is breakage, and I already know what y'all are gonna say. I have super tight texture, and my hair is just more prone to breakage. I 1000% understand that, but I've noticed that my hair it seems and feels more weak now than it did while I was transitioning, and that doesn't make sense to me. I'm trying to figure out what I can do or how I can better protect my hair. I do want to wear my hair out. I don't want to wear it in a protective style all the time. I don't mind doing that for a couple months here or there, but like, I'm most comfortable in my own hair. And I just feel like I'm so careful when detangling my hair. And my hair's not even that hard to detangle, to be quite honest. Also, yeah, if anyone has, I use the ApHogee protein treatment system right now, and it's not my favorite. I don't know how much it's helping. Sometimes I feel like it's making my hair weaker. So if anyone has any tips on how to improve that, or any other protein treatments that you guys use that you really like, then please let me know, because I am definitely looking for that to do once a month or once every 6 weeks. Also, how much are you supposed to do it? Like, I do mine once a month now, so am I supposed to do it? I know like too much is bad for your hair, but I don't want to wait too long because I'm gonna forget, and then it's just not good. So yeah, just let me know. I really want my hair to be healthy more than anything, and it's so frustrating with how much time and effort and care I put into my hair, and I'm still having all these issues, especially since not too long ago I really thought I finally had my hair figured out. But I guess this is just part of the journey. I'd really appreciate if we could have a conversation down in the comments below, just bouncing tips off of each other or different insights that you may have, because I know there are other people out there who are way more knowledgeable of this topic than I am, and who have been in the game for way longer, or who just like know more. So I'd really appreciate if you could share it with any friends that you feel could help me out, or could help you out, or we can just help each other out. I really want to emphasize though that we need to make sure that we're very nice and friendly and not coming like at people and attacking people, because I've seen comments under natural hair videos coming for people and it's just not nice, and I don't want that to be the energy under my video. And also hit that subscribe button if you want to see more from me. Maybe I'll get some tips from you guys and then do a video in a month or two after adding these to my natural hair routine and see how it's changed or something. Let me know if you want to see something like that, but also hit the bell so you'll be notified when I post. Also, for anybody who's new, I post every Sunday and Thursday, so expect content from me on those 2 days. They'll be the Devvbee fam days. And yeah, that's all I have for you today in this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and see you guys next time. Help me, please. All right, bye. Y'all like my wig though? She real cute. You know, I'm proud of her. I was trying to do something different for the fall, you see what I mean?